Hi, this video will show how to insert a 2D symbol in Map360. Currently, I'm overlaying the symbol with the ortho image that I previously loaded in. We have a quite extensive library of symbols within Map360. And we also have a more basic library, which I will show on a separate video. But here I just want to use a top-down view of a vehicle, 2D vehicle in this case. And really, I'm exemplifying how easy it is to position it and potentially scale it to fit the vehicle which is underneath it. I'm also making a copy. I'm using a keyboard shortcut Control-C, Control-V to create this copy of the vehicle. And then I'm using those familiar grips interface to position them and rotate them to fit the model. You can also use the grips to resize it, or you can do an accurate resize from the properties. We have layer control on some of the symbols, so I just disable the windows from the vehicles. I can also disable the white lines or the bodywork. We can also, from the properties, quite simply recolorize the vehicles to a different color based off the color layers that they're in. Here we'll just rename, and this will be a green vehicle done. I hope you have a great day.